Recently, some of our Falaya sellers have expressed concerns over claims that real estate agents actively avoid for sale by owner sellers in their listings. Today, I want to address this claim head on and explain why selling with Falaya gives you a unique advantage in the market and give you some tips on how to communicate this to any agents that might be reluctant to bring you their buyers. Let's dive right in. Many real estate agents have certain reservations when it comes to working with traditional FSBO sellers. They often anticipate some obstacles might arise due to a lack of professional involvement in the process. What they may not realize is that this isn't your run-of-the-mill for sale by owner experience, quite the opposite. Our transaction coordinators work alongside our sellers and provide you with essential documents, update tasks, route communications, and closely monitor each listing. We do this to ensure that all parties have a smooth, efficient, and rewarding experience. When you list with Falaya, you're not just another FSBO listing, you're a Falaya listing, backed by a team of experts that are dedicated to your success. So, how can you communicate this to agents who might be hesitant to work with you on your listing? I recommend letting them know that while you may be selling your home yourself, you're not doing it on your own. Explain that you have a dedicated transaction coordinator and describe how we work to support you, handle communication, and ensure a smooth transaction. When you make it clear that Falaya is supporting you, and therefore them, in this process, it can help to ease any apprehensions they might have about working with a for sale by owner seller. The more they understand about the process, the more comfortable that they're going to be bringing you their buyers. As always, the Falaya team is here to support you, and if you have any questions or need any assistance, do not hesitate to reach out to us. But in the meantime, happy selling.